Hey, welcome to Kaspa Daily Pulse. Here's what the Kaspa community's been buzzing about today. First off, the community's deep in discussion about the upcoming block reward reduction on August 5th. Rewards are set to drop to 4.62 Kas per block, and there's been some friendly debate and a bit of nerding out over the math behind the monthly decay rate. Meanwhile, whispers of Binance testing the Kaspa network stirred the pot. Nothing confirmed, but even the hint of it sent imaginations flying. On the more chaotic side, Kaspa.com NFT deployments sparked outrage when a user claimed they lost 1,000 Kas with no support in sight. The community was divided, some defending the platform's response time, others saying this lack of accountability is a red flag. And smart contracts, still the hype train's top destination. People are eyeing August 31st for Layer 2 rollout, with big expectations, and just as many jokes about sell the news events. Sentiment today felt mixed. There's genuine long-term belief. Some are proudly holding bags for 10+ years, but also frustration from holders who bought high and are now facing jeets. Jokes and jokes about jeets. That's it for today's Pulse. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Catch you then.